Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed a Friday morning cleaning routine. It's to get ready for the weekend. So I start first in my room as usual. Try to make this bed even though Theo is sitting on it. I swear my cats lately have been acting like toddlers. I don't know what's gotten into them. But anyway, so I start here in this room and then I move over to one of the boys' rooms. The other kids did do their beds and clean up their room this morning before school, so I don't have to worry about those two rooms. I also do the kids' bathroom, just a quick tidy up in there, and then I head down to the kitchen.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me.
Now that the room is tidy, I'm just going to do a quick vacuum and then move on.
We got everything we need right here.
So the same thing in this room. I'm going to make the bed and tidy up. There is some laundry here that I need to put away, and I'm also going to vacuum.
Lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here.
So here's the random laundry that I need to put away for this room. I tried an experiment and I thought to myself, maybe if I leave it out on the dresser that somebody magically would put it away, but they didn't. It was on there for about 3 days, and so I decided to just get it done because I couldn't stand seeing it there anymore. And after that, I'm just going to vacuum.
Past is forgiven. You moved on, I am stuck in the middle. Tried to run, but there's nowhere to go. Even in my sleep.
For the kids' bathroom, I'm going to disinfect the counters and the sinks using soft scrub. I think it has bleach in it, and I'm also going to use a Clorox disinfecting wipe to scrub the sinks. You will see in a minute how much toothpaste is in there, and I just can't believe it. It's all over the sinks. So I'm going to try my best to scrub all of that out and wipe the counters down, and that's it for this bathroom.
Holding hands, smell your hair for a second. Just like I used to do, girl, what happened? In my dreams, all I see is the caption. Tried to run, but there's nowhere to go. Even in my sleep, I'm calling out your name. That I never wanted things to be this way, this way. I wish that I never met you. It's so hard, so damn hard to forget you. And no words could explain how I miss you. Girl,
And here I am just putting away more laundry, and then picking up more laundry to take downstairs to wash. I swear it's a never-ending cycle with laundry. Down here, I just have some groceries to put away from this morning. It's just a few items to keep us for the weekend. Just some snacks, milk, lemonade, cinnamon rolls for the morning, some cereal, things like that. I also have some chicken thighs that I'm going to cook tonight in my Cosori steam pot. It comes out really yummy and really, really tender. I think I'll be making that tonight with some veggies and some rice on the side.
Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low.
And how many of you ladies know this move? I'm just gonna go ahead and put away all of these groceries and get to cleaning up the kitchen.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast, and every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars. Baby, while we're young.
We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's be free with me. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Done with my own doubts.
And I decided at this point that I was done. I was getting really tired, so I decided to make myself a cup of coffee. In the middle of the day, I like something sweet, so I use the Italian sweet cream and some sugar. And that's pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this cleaning video, and I hope that it gives you motivation. So please, if you're new here, I would love it if you subscribed and became a part of my YouTube channel. If you like these kinds of videos, then please click the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!